I would also like to mention over here that because there is a recession that has been around the globe after the COVID-19 pandemic, and recently a report came from IMF about a couple of days ago, and they mentioned that it is imminent, that the recession will cover the entire world. And obviously when the recession comes, there are a lot of problems and there are a lot of layoffs. So I think that this is exactly the right time for anyone who wants to start their career in IT, because when there are layoffs, this is something that you can learn, and then you can even do from your own home, even if you don't get a job, because during the layoffs, um, they are short of jobs. So you can also offer your services as a freelancer as well, if you have a skill. And apart from that, what I would like to point out, what is our core competency at Pro Training Tech, that not only do we provide the trainings in different fields, in software testing, in Java certifications, we also provide your personal development, your resume development. We teach you how to write a cover letter, how to conduct the interviews, how to do a screening call, and things like that. So in addition, this is a pro step that we are offering, that is a very beneficial thing for all our students, all our potential students as well. So all of you people who are interested, please visit us today at protrainingtech.com, or email us at info@protrainingtech.com. Our phone number is also given. You can call us anytime, and our team is more than happy to connect with you.